everybody, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Lord has a message for somebody today who has been praying and waiting for God to do something in their life. And you've just been feeling like, God, what is taking so long? I've been praying, I've been fasting, I've been doing everything I need to do. This is God's message for you today. The Lord is saying, think back to a time where you had to wait for something. Whether you had to wait a couple years, or to wait to get out of school, to wait to start that job, to wait to get into college, to wait to do anything that you had to wait for. If you're a mom, you had to wait to get that baby out, anything like that. God is saying, think back to a time where you had to wait. You wanted to get out of that situation so bad. You was like, I can't wait to move on. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do that. God is saying, think back to that time. And he is saying, look at it from this perspective. The situation taught you something. The situation that you are in taught you something. It taught you something. Whether you want to admit it or not, it grew you. It taught you something. And if you really think about it, it wasn't even that long. You didn't even have to wait that long now that you think about it. You had some good times along the way. Yes, it may have been a little struggle. Yes, it did take a little bit of a long time, but you got through it. The point the Lord is trying to make is that when you're rushing the time away, you're rushing everything, you're missing crucial lessons you need to learn. I bet when you think back, you wish you would have did certain things that you had done differently. You know that you learned something through that waiting period. You know that in reality, you might not want to admit it, it wasn't as long and as bad as you thought it would be. So God is saying, whatever it is you praying for, whatever it is you waiting for, it's not going to be as long and as bad as you think it's going to be. Allow him to work in you. Allow him to create in you a new heart. So when you get that thing, you won't destroy it. Okay? So if you seeking God for somebody, or if you seeking God for that business or that financial breakthrough or whatever it is you're wanting from God and desiring in your heart, he's going to give that to you. But imagine if you have to work on your patience and he give it to you too early. You're going to be crashing out. You're not going to have enough patience to steward those customers. You're not going to have enough patience to deal with what it is that comes with having that position. Imagine if you get mad quickly. You can't be going off on the customers. You can't be going off on people coming up to you. You can't do that. Imagine if you're dealing with pride. You can't even ask for when you need help. You thinking you better than everybody. Pride comes before fall. So let God work on you. Let him work on you. He gonna get you there. He is saying that it's not going to take as long as what you're thinking. But when you keep on looking up at the clock, that's what's making it feel like it's taking so long. Learn what you need to learn. Grow how you need to grow. And God is going to get you to where you need to go. Trust me. Trust me. You do not want to rush the Lord. You do not want to rush your blessings. You don't. Because you're not going to even be able to enjoy it when you get it. Whether it's a business, whether it's money, whether it's friendships, whether it's love, whether it's a career, a status, a position, you're not going to be able to enjoy it if you don't allow him to work. That is what the Lord is trying to tell you and help you to understand. God is outside of time. He can restore that time. God created time to help us. We are eternal beings. We are not limited by time. God can restore the time that you feel like you lost. The 5 years, the 10 years, the 3 years, the year, the months you've been waiting. He's going to restore it as if it's never happened. But allow him to do it so that when you get there, it won't be, I don't even want this because I done messed it up. No, it won't be something that comes with pain. It won't become something that comes with sorrow. It won't become something that comes with, I don't even want this no more. You know how when you get something, you think you want it so bad, you get it and you don't even want it? Let him work on it so it can be a blessing, okay? You're going to get there. I hope this message encouraged you. I know this message is for somebody out there. I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this each and every single day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.